Hi guys, this just happened. There's all sort of leaks in this bathroom, and right now the washing machine started leaking somewhere from this corner. I don't exactly know what leaks yet. I have watched the intake hose with a flashlight. I thought that was it. It's not. It starts leaking when the machine starts to load with water. I don't know what it is. Maybe an exhaust hose, maybe the rubber seal. I'll just have to take this thing apart and see where I can see some water leaking. Right now I am taking this off. It's the detergent drawer thing. Let's see if I can get this on camera. Will this work? Yeah, quite reasonable. And then took both screws out. Okay. And there's another one. Now it starts moving. Wow. Look at the rust here. This thing is, I don't know if there's a date here, but it certainly has a date on the back plate. This thing is about 17 years old. Oh no, it's this label here on the wires. Equipment 29 October 01, 2001. It's 18 years old. Oh, 17 and a half-ish, something. Let's get this screw out. By the way, all the power is disconnected. I obviously don't want to get shocked. There's no mechanical reason why I want this out of the way. It's just because I can't see what's going on in there. And I've put it in place really well. I've shown you that video with the screws in the floor, and I really don't want to get it out again. Oh, there's this piece of wire. Now it needs to be reattached. And how do I get this out? There's a big clamp here. Can I just... I just want to be able to see what's going on in here, so... But also, I need to fill it with water, so I think I'm gonna have to keep this hose here. Oh, damn it. F you, man. F you. Should be alright, just like this. I don't have my tripod, why would I? Nope. best video I can get. Okay, get my flashlight. Bloody hell, is that a huge cockroach? It is, it's a fucking huge dead cockroach. Oh man. There's suddenly a lot of water. Where is that water coming from? Can't even tell from this angle. Let's see what happens if but then I don't see the dial. That was Z, so maybe like this. I see absolutely nothing. God damn it. Oh. There's water there. I think it's the seal. But I'm not sure. I really can't see well here. Let's turn off the fucking power. Standing with my knees in water. It's not really nice. How on earth can I see if the seal is broken? I'm gonna have to turn this thing upside down, and I really don't want to do that right now. Take this out away. Okay, power's off. I have absolutely no idea. Nothing on the right side. Drain it. No luck. I was hoping to see leaks. Unfortunately, all I can see is the wet spot down there. I have no idea where it's coming from, but most likely from this rubber seal. Maybe I'll just call the landlord and ask them to fix it or buy a new one. It's certainly beyond its days of glory. Okay, that's enough. Now I'll just wait for the lock to unlock. I want to take a look at the seal from the inside. Maybe there's something there. It's a Saturday and I'm so tired. I just thought I'll see for a quick fix, but if I want to do this, I have to basically take the whole washing machine out and turn it on one side, and that is not happening today. Waiting for that click. The thing is, one, there's no floor drain in here, and it just goes this way all over the cat's litter box with all the sand and stuff around it, and then it kind of seeps through this tile here, and you just step over it here and it's just a mess. At least if it would have gathered in this corner, no, fuck it. But let's see, anything here? I know how these work. Seems a little weak though. Maybe if I... Come on. If I tighten this screw, perhaps? Maybe. I'll give that a go and maybe come back with the result or the bigger repair in a day when I feel like once again getting this thing out. God damn it. That's what you get for running old house appliances. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye. Yeah, it turns out I still have to take the whole washing machine away from there and just turn it on its side. It turns out that I was struggling to get this wire on this piece here. It's basically the selector of where the wire goes, if it's pre-wash or wash or fabric softener, and unfortunately this is done mechanically on this washing machine, so it just goes in this hole from the other side, from the underside, and just goes left and right as that cable that fell pulls it left or right. There's the cable, and apparently that thing can fall apart. I thought there was something, just holding it in as it would be normal, and part of it just flew away and fell somewhere in here, so I have to move the washing machine anyway because now I can't use it to wash stuff. Oh boy, so yeah, probably later this evening or tomorrow there's gonna be a longer video about me fixing the damn washing machine. Yay! Of course, now I'm doing this just because I can. If there's something that I can't repair or I need a replacement part, I will definitely call and ask for the help of the landlord. So I'm obviously not going to pay for a repair, but as long as I can do it and it's something simple, I prefer doing it this way. You know, plus that it's YouTube content, I mean, why the hell not? They kind of pissed me off. They're a lot more complicated than the new ones. New ones is just a tiny control PCB and that's it. You know, you have just like a couple of sensors and valves and that's all there is to it. Nothing mechanical, nothing. Certainly not like this. A lot more work on these ones, unfortunately. Yeah, so I'll just come back with the repair whenever I'll feel like it. Right now, I'm making myself some steak because I'm hungry. See you next time.